It's your girl Emerald here, and if you would like to see how I get this beautiful braid out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I started on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be using my Revlon blow dryer to stretch out my hair. It's really convenient, very fast, easy to use. I'm using my heat protectant shine and smooth polisher with my anti-humidity gloss and shine mist from ᵠᴵᴜᴞ, and the blue stuff that you will be seeing me put on the ends of my hair. I'm going to be using it to curl the ends, you know, to make sure my ends are protected, and it's called the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly by Curls.
I'm the father, yeah, they don't know, hey. Been grinding a long time. Bitch, I'ma glow if I don't shine. Make $1 million here with my guys. Cause we came from a place where it's not nice, yo. Oh, back in the day, see they no believe. Now when they shine, they done they see, oh. While you be sleeping, I'm living the dream, oh. Now they see, now they see. I'm for real. I been getting clean money way before the deal. Had them hooked on my beats way before the pill. Nigga Denzel dripping, I'm always dressed to kill. Slim Pappy, I'm bench pressing a mill. They frontin' on me and now they trying to chill. I came in the game, they try to play me. As soon as I bust out, they wanna have my baby. Back in the day, see they no believe. Now when they shine, they done they see, oh. While you be sleeping, I'm living the dream, oh. Now they see, now they see. I'm the father, yeah, they don't know, hey. Been grinding a long time. Bitch, I'ma glow if I don't shine. Make $1 million here with my guys. Cause we came from a place where it's not nice, yo. Back in the day, see they no believe. Now when they shine.
What I'm using is this. It smells good. It's message cherry flavor, y'all. And if y'all don't want to turn it white, then y'all could put like a little oil or something.
While you be sleeping, I'm living the dream, oh. Now they see, now they see. Now we all so flashy, yeah, yeah. Now we all so flashy, yeah, yeah. Started from the bottom, we classy, yeah, yeah. Now we all so flashy, yeah, flashy. Then to the day.
Like, I'm done. Finally, because my arms felt like it was going to fall off my body, y'all. This is a workout. Now, I like this way better than my other blow dryer, because usually, oh no, what did I do? Is that edge control? Oh, come on, bro. Please don't turn my strand white. That's not going to be good. I don't have time for this today. Okay. I'm pretty sure I just kind of low-key messed up my hair a bit, but you know what? It's okay, because like I said, I'm not bald-headed. So, I like this way better than like my other blow dryers. When I just use like a dimming brush and just blow dry my hair, it makes my hair feel soft, and it's so much faster, y'all. Like, y'all better, not cap, what? Y'all better cop this for real, like, no. But yes, this is so good, bro. Like, so good. Ouch. I'm hurting myself today. But, yeah, y'all should cop this, like.
Alright, you guys, so this is the end result. I hope you guys love this video. Y'all see that hang time, y'all? If you guys love that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.